Welcome to the course Dynamic System Modeling that belong to the European Vietnamese Higher Education Network for Sustainable Forest and Bioeconomy. The course will take place from 14 to 18 June next week. The course lecturers, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Vũ Văn Mai. I come from the VNU University of Science. I am Associated Professor on Earth Science, and my research fields are environmental monitoring and modeling, geoinformatics, and environmental management. In addition, I also have some interest in and study on bioeconomy and renewable energy. Very nice to meet you.
Hello everyone. My name is Mai Li Leung. I am lecturer at the same department with Professor Mai, the Department of Environmental Management, Faculty of Environmental Sciences. My background is environmental sciences and my PhD is about using modeling to investigate the association between air pollution and children's health. So my research now focuses on environmental health sciences. I joined this network of European Vietnamese higher education and believe that dynamic system modeling with useful tools and models is what I can apply in my field of environmental health as well as in the field of sustainable forest and bioeconomy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Đoàn Thị Nhật Minh and I'm currently working as a lecturer at Hanoi University of Science. I'm currently a PhD student in environmental science at Vietnam National University, and I did my master in forest management based on data science at University of Valladolid in Spain. And it's my honor to be the teacher assistant of this module 15, the dynamic modeling system.
The course Dynamic System Modeling are developed by a group of scientists come from VNU University of Science and Valladolid University. The course author, including Professor Vũ Hoàng Linh, Professor Vũ Văn Mạnh, and Professor Felipe Bravo. The core teacher of the third intensive learning period already know. We already including 3 persons, 2 lecturer and 1 TA. The course you can access the course via our Moodle Bioecon platform, and you can also access via the link here on this screen. This course is designed for a master student and with total 6 ECTS, and with student effort will vary from 150 to 175 hours. It depends on the student ability. And for entering this course, you should have a basic knowledge about math, about informatics, and English efficiency for the course instruction, written lab tutorial, and also example question and assignment also. The main reason and the main content of this course, if we learn about the principle and methods for dynamic system modeling, with particular focus on learning and management of dynamic complex environmental and resource management problem, especially for the forestry and the bioeconomy. Currently, you heard a lot about artificial intelligence and deep learning. That is very models, technical recently, and our dynamic system model can work the same. We try to modelize our real world by using our dynamic model.
During this course, we will deliver 4 lectures from 14 to 18 June. The first one is Introduction to Dynamic System Modeling. The second one is the basic modeling concepts. The next one is Strategy for Analyzing and Using System Models. And the last one is Adding Social Economics. So we will get familiar with 4 main components of dynamic system model to build a real world, which are the reservoir, the processes, the converters, and the interrelationship. And then we use the modeling and computer simulation for all kinds of systems: economics, social, ecological, biological, and technological. Currently, there are some commonly used software to build a dynamic system that can be seen on the slide. In this model, we will work with Insight Maker. It is a free open source modeling and simulation tool developed using web-based technologies and supports graphical model structure construction using multiple paradigms.
The specific manifestation of the four system components mentioned previously by Dr. Lee depends on different context. So you're looking at the diagram of Iceland community on the slide illustrate these concepts through a simple model. And this is just one simple example discussed in our first lecture. And during the course, students will be involved in different lab tutorial with pre-developed model on Insight Maker regarding different problems in bioeconomy sectors, forestry, and environment, such as forest fire model, tree growth model. And the student will also be asked to manipulate those models to explore relationships and assumptions. In addition, students will distinguish how system thinking differs from other approaches and apply this system thinking to a variety of bioeconomy, forestry, and environmental problems, and to describe what is observed in nature in terms of ever-changing, interdependent processes and conditions. And many systems have common feature which tends to lead to certain types of behavior pattern that can be predicted and easily modeled. Furthermore, during each lecture, students will be provided with a variety of questions and quiz from basic multiple choice and matching to more interaction quiz. Exercise will also be given, require the manipulation and expansion of the certain models, as well as the outright development of model to explore specific problems.
At the end of the course, you can construct your own diagram that illustrates conceptual and mathematically relationship between the components.
Students will know about what generic system construct can be identified and what do these constructs imply about system behavior.
Moreover, students will know if the system reacts to various perturbations or changes and what does it implies for system stability.
Yeah, last but not least, students shall master different engineering tools for dynamic modeling and simulation, such as Insight Maker, Stella, MATLAB, or R, including basic programming skills.
Students will be able to provide a range of examples related to dynamic system modeling, which demonstrate the broad applicability of mathematics in solving contemporary real-world problems.
So if you find this course interesting, then don't forget to go to the course selection survey on Moodle BioEcon and choose this course as one of your first priority. Thank you very much for your attention. This is the end of our introduction, and we hope to see you in the course.
Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you at the Moodle 15 on 14. Yeah, see you.